straight, head up. When you do these things, big steps, don't take very small steps, like, or like if you're gonna walk, like, there you go, you know. And play with your hand motions, the way you move your hands. The way I move my hands is like this. Like, look, you don't do People look at the hands and they can tell. Finger up, round. Try to move naturally. Don't make it stiff, move your hand naturally. We can practice more with the hands in another video with my mom if you want. Yeah, learning a little bit of ballet helps, like just the technique helps. I don't have my points, I'm not very good at ballet, but it really helped a lot for my style. Making a style takes time, so if you don't have a style for your performance, like the way you perform, that's okay. Because it took me 5 years to find my style, myself. I've been performing since, maybe 7 years now, I think. Yeah, I just got my style just now. Or at least that's what I think. And it's very important, acknowledge the people, look at them, and continue doing your act, and look at them when you get the chance, when you salute them. It's very, very important. So you gotta enjoy it all. It's the most important thing. Because that by itself makes you look good. Like, performance could make you look good. Like, you need to make your performance look good. You need to make your costume look good. The way you do it is what makes everything look good, no matter where or what music you perform in. So could you imagine what if you make it look good, you make anything look good with whatever you want, still with high professional stuff. It's very, very good. So if the passion's not there, well, then none of it matters. And also, like, no matter what, point your feet. Point. Even if you just lift it from the ground, just once. I'm wearing tennis shoes, but you point. Point your feet. You can go slow, like I'm doing this. I'm wearing exercise clothes. I need to make my performance look good because I don't know what I'm going to look like in costume. So it's important to, if you can make yourself look good on your own with the routine and everything while wearing clothes like this that is not costumes, like, you need to know how to make it look good because I never practice with shiny costumes. You need to make yourself look good so it looks even better when you wear the costumes. I only wear my costumes when I'm performing or when I'm trying on for fitting, but that is it. That's why it's important. Like, if you can make clothes like this look good, then it'll look even better on stage with a great shiny costume, And of course, to make your act look more professional, have shiny costumes, anything, any kind of shiny can work, any kind. It's gotta be eye-catching to the audience, Like, it's fine. And if you don't want to do that, that's okay, because some people don't do it anyways, but in the circus, it's very common, it looks professional to everybody else. And there's a lot of ways you can find, like, shiny costumes and stuff, like materials to make, or cheap. Because that's actually very common in the circus. Not everybody in the circus has money for that. But they manage, They always manage. And I know you can too. There's always a way. And if you ever feel like anything is too expensive, it's not really. There's always a way. If any one of my ancestors managed to do well while being broke with the circus, then you can do a lot better. Because now everything's better nowadays, So really, it's great. It's very important. So your hands are important too, your hands. Like the way you move your hands. Doesn't matter if you're a boy or a girl. The boys is more simple with the hands, It's all a lot of times. Like, but don't do. This is something I could see sometimes. You're not telling, nobody cares, like, the size of bread you eat. Nobody cares how much you eat. This is how much I eat. Look, people, this is how much I eat. Nobody cares. Okay? Everyone cares about how you carry yourself. So yeah, point your feet, sit up, and be comfortable. Try to feel comfortable on stage. It took me 5 years to get comfortable on stage. Truly. Really. So, like, it is difficult, but it's okay to perform being nervous. Sometimes The only way you can get over stage fright is to do it. Like, go do it. That's the only way I can cure my stage fright. Getting used to the audience. Don't rush. Do it when you're comfortable. You'll look more professional later on once you do get comfortable. Don't worry about that. That's like minor thing. Like, it's okay to not feel comfortable with the people. You can practice more. Do whatever you feel comfortable in. That's actually really important. When you want to look professional in the show, be comfortable in whatever it is, okay? It's okay to stay in your comfort zone sometimes. But you need to know when to step out of your comfort zone, okay? You're never gonna be ready. So take your time, it's okay, I've taken my time. But later on, eventually, you gotta come out of your comfort zone, you know? It's okay to not feel ready. Because the truth is, you're never ready. I was never ready. The only reason I'm comfortable on stage now is because I got so used to it. Because the thing is, soon your nervousness is gonna come off. You know, it's gonna come off, like feeling nervous once you get used to it. Because being nervous is so temporary. It took me like for me, it took me more than a year to stop being nervous. But like for a very specific act. But everyone is different. I'm sure that like, you'll be fine because like really, if you just get out there soon, you're gonna get used to it and you're gonna be comfortable. Yeah. So yeah, it could be in a small stage like this, which this is just a setup in home that I have. It could be anywhere. It doesn't matter where you perform. The professional comes from you. That's what my mom told me. And all this I'm telling you is from advice from a really great performer that gave me this advice. You know, and because of her, I'm doing really good in my performance right now. You know, and I'm really glad for that. And also take care of yourself, be healthy. Bless you all, whatever religion it is out there you have. And thank you so much for watching. Be safe, stay healthy, happy. 2 important things to have when you want to do circus, and have a great life and good luck with your new circus life. I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching, and may your odd days be circus days. May your odd days be circus